Dear children, today's story, Hardwork is the key to success. In a faraway village live hardworking farmer who has great fields. Year after year, his grapevine gives rich harvest and the farmer become very successful. He has three sons who are young and energetic but never bother to work. As the farmer grows old, he begins to worry about his son's future. Then he falls ill and realizes his death is fast approaching. Called his son and told them, "Dear sons, I see my death near me. But before I did goodbye to you, I want to share a secret." He told them there is a treasure hidden under the entire field after my death to find it. The old farmer dies and his son performs the last rites. The son began to pick for the treasure without any part of the field but found nothing. However, the digging of the field leads to the cultivation of healthy crops and results in huge earning. These earnings make the sons realize what their father